Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you can you view your watch history on Twitter. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Twitter. So once you open Twitter, you simply need to log in into your Twitter account. And once you scroll, you can see you already watch a video here. So let me go back and click on my profile on the top left, and here you need to click on three dots, and here you can see option to switch account. So I am going to into settings and support, and here you can see settings and privacy, and but here you can see that there is no option to see my watch history. So I already checked all these options, but it is not possible in Twitter to view your watch history. So currently it is not possible. So hopefully in future might be you see an option, but currently you can only see the post that you do in the likes here. So let's suppose I am on my home page, and let me watch a video first here. So after that I'm going to like that video and watch that video. Okay, so here you can see that a video. Okay, so you can easily like that. Okay, and after that you can see that video in the likes tab. Okay, so this is the only method possible you can do. There is no other option to see what you watch on Twitter. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.